Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit sentimental as well as raw as possible, and the reason is this. So if you weren't aware, I've been unemployed technically without a job since the beginning of 2026, and we're about to be almost 6 months in, half the year in, and I still have not landed an actual full-time work in regards to I guess 9 to 5 or corporate. I haven't landed one yet. Still looking, but this is something that's kind of the reason point I'm making this video. So wife and I are tired of, I guess I want to say, the corporate America in regards to you could be tossed out like nothing and you pretty much don't mean anything unless you're making the money, which that's how corporates all over the world is. Think about our food in America. They don't care about it. It's profit over people. But as of the moment of recording this video, I have 162 subscribers. I don't know if you can see that. It's right here. 862. Technically, wife and I agreed that I'm going to be going full-time content creator, as you say, but I'm not making a penny as of now in regards to my videos. But I'm going to have to hit a threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to get monetized on YouTube. But the next 6 months from this moment on, I'm extremely nervous, but I have to leave my family because I have a mouth to feed in regards to my kids and my wife and myself, as well as I am the leader of this house. So I need to do it to prove for myself that I'm able to do it, as well as for my wife and also my kids. I mean, it's going to be a great story once I make it in regards to, of course, glory to God, pointing right back to Him. So my message is this in regards to you guys are going to be along this journey. This is going to be videos. I'm going full-time content creator, and it's May 11th. And my daughter's birthday's in 3 days, May 14th. So wish me luck. Mother's just passed, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to do this thing full time with shorts, videos, lives. Also trying to grow my TikTok page. If you guys want to follow me on TikTok, that'd be great, because I'm gotta utilize all the social medias I can in order to gain some type of revenue. Because I have to. It's nothing personal, and my point of this channel is to get closer to God, but also I am also trying to grow a community, a God-fearing community. So hope you guys could understand. You guys could really, I love you guys. I'm signing out. Bye. Peace.